All right, so we are doing a review of somebody sending in their system to see what I think about it. So let's push play on this and see what we got.
Joe here from Central Kentucky. This is my 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Nice run.
Alternators, I got a 370 and a 400 amp Mechman, both powering the 160 amp hour skid bank in the rear. Mid-range speakers, I've got 8 of these PRV Neo 6.5s powered by a JP234, and I have 8 Super Tweeters by DS18 powered by another JP234.
So far, I just have to commend you on what a clean vehicle you have. Like, clean install so far, clean ride, white with the chrome rims and red accenting. Looks very cool. 2 JP234s and like a lot of charging with your 2 Mechman alternators and nice lithium bank, so good job.
Got some audio control DSP and epicenter going on in the rear.
Well, we just need to get you to change to the easy DSPs from down for sound, but it'll get the job done.
For my subwoofers, I'm running 2 of the Defbonts 4515s. They are at 1 ohm, wall tuned to about 30. And for the rear, we've got 2 Sundown Audio Salt 6Ks. And see what you think, man.
Very nice job, man. Like, the whole install is very clean. Yeah, the door panels look nice. The whole box is nice, trimmed off. You said it's tuned to 30 hertz, so it's going to play nice and low. Yeah, the trim is very nice, and even the install in the back, man. I don't know if there's anything that I would really change about it. Like, the electrical's up to par. The amps, I mean, you have salts in there. That's amazing amplifiers and some JP love in there. So I don't know. Like, that's as good as you can get basically with what you have going on. So I'll just commend you on a job well done with your build. Very clean install, clean vehicle. What else could you want? Appreciate you asking my opinion on it. Anybody else has like something like this, you want me to check out your system on how you could improve it with my 2 cents? That's about all it's worth. But just send a little short video. We'll have a way to do that in the description below, and we'll try to check it out. But yeah, appreciate you guys submitting these, and helps us with some content, and I get to help you guys out with my 2 cent opinion that I have. If you need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.